It's a rainy day today. This is the vlog. If you couldn't tell, it's a rainy day. You can see the rain pattering on the pond. Can you hear it? Shut up, cars. Can you hear it? I go up. See a tree. That's a dog bone. And look, it's a blue house, and that's a butterfly. It's not a real butterfly, but if you look over there, it's a seashell and a bin. It's a bin. And if we look over here, it's an old shed. Oh, we're not exploring that. We'll probably get eaten alive. Gonna explore. We can't go in. Can't go in at the moment. I'm so sorry. There's water on my screen. I need to wipe it off. There is a tree. I just stepped in an old greasy apple. Look at that old swing seat and the conservatory. Halloween themed tree. Do you see it? Yeah, I bet you can. Chimney. Look at the rabbit. Rabbits. There's some rabbits that eat food. Look at them. Look at them eating their food. Look at that. It's like a jungle. But that's all the time we have for today. I just burped. This is all the time we have today for the vlog. And yes, if you like this video, which you clearly did, what you need to do is you need to scroll down, and if you see a little thumbs up, which you probably will, you will click that, and then you'll see a red button that says subscribe. You will also click that. I am going indoors now because it is starting to rain heavily.